Welcome back, Internet. Umchu here, and this video is part of the TheAlarmApp project. Starting your own business is hard. Honestly, that is why I haven't tried it so far. As if developing an idea to fruition wasn't hard enough, marketing it may be even harder for most people. I am definitely one of those people. With that said, even the greatest idea is doomed to fail if nobody knows about it. That is why I need to get out of my comfort zone and invest time in social networks. In today's day and age, it is just as important to have good presence in social as is the quality of your product. Another important part is brand recognition. Therefore, today we're going to explore some of the options for designing logos. I'm approaching this task just as anyone out there looking to make themselves a logo. I searched the internet, also looked at a few videos and reviews, and opened a few of the sites that stood out to me. I guess I should also say that none of them are sponsoring me, as if they will sponsor someone with 10 subscribers. Anyway, let's begin with exploring their offerings, and I hope that at the end of this video we'll have a logo for the TheAlarmApp. So first, let's check out look.com. It's a pretty simple UI so far. So let's just type in our company name. It is the TheAlarmApp. Let's see what they have for us. It seems like it's an AI powered one. So hopefully we get something unique to us. So let's start customizing by first picking the industry. We're in IT, vehicles, security. Just a few quick keywords. Let's choose the logos that we like, so that I guess this generator gets our preferences in design, and a couple of colors, the name, and a quick slogan. Why not? Your vehicle, your data. Let's go with that. Choose a couple of symbols here, and we're done with this phase. Okay, let's continue. And they're generating for us. Okay. I won't lie, some of them are standing out to me. And here is where they want us to sign up. Okay. I won't sign up right now. We'll do it later on, unless we're forced to. And of course, if we choose one of the logos from one of these providers, at the end we'll go ahead and pay what they want us to pay, so that we can commercially use their generated logo. I will continue as a guest for the time being. Okay. Let's vote a few more. It's hard to read. Okay. Let's pause through this one for a moment and try out the next one. And the second offering that we'll try for today is canva.com. Let's go straight into it. I can see that here they want us to define what we're looking for. So we're looking for a logo. Okay, start with the template. We add text over here. Upload our own images. And we're going to save the design. Okay, so I don't think that this is something that I was looking for. I was looking for something more of an AI generated tool. So let's see if we can do something with this one, but I doubt that I'll be able to make it work on my own. I think that here you need to be more artistic than I am, honestly. I think that's more of a professional tool for someone who knows what they're doing. Honestly, that's not me. And yeah, they lost me here. We'll go ahead and skip to the next one. And the third offering for today is the logo maker in placeit.net. Here we have a drop-down menu for logos, and we seem to have categories where we want to start with. Let's see what suits us best. We're definitely not in those categories here. Maybe abstract? Why not? Let's see. Make your own abstract logo. Okay, let's make it. Here it's there. Pick an industry. IT. Technology. Okay, we're in technology for sure. Okay, something went wrong, I think, with the site. Because I was wondering why we didn't see anything with our name. Choose graphic. Okay, they're starting to come online. Okay, this is a bit more visually appealing, I think, than the first one that we looked at. Okay, I think here we are offered to customize a logo further if we choose graphic. Okay, let's let it load for a little bit, and I'll come back to it after we check out the rest. And let's continue with the fourth offering here, TheAlarmApp. First impressions, I really don't like this white logo on this background. It doesn't make sense to me, but let's see what they can do for us. Okay, so this logo generator first asks us for the name of the company, slogan, your vehicle, your data, just like before. Okay, a question on how we learned about them. Yeah, it's pretty simple, just like the other one. Choose what we like. Okay, it is working. And we're waiting, quite a lot of waiting. Still waiting, quite a long time waiting. Nothing comes up so far. I don't think this is working. It's taking a few minutes now. It's staying at 100%. So let me pause this one. I'll try it again and come back to you in a moment. Okay, so after reloading the page, it didn't ask me to fill anything else again. It just came up with this request for me to sign in. So I guess I'm forced to sign in. Let me do that and I'll come back to you in a couple of minutes. Okay, after signing in, I'm presented with this view over here. So I do have a few offerings. Yeah, that one I don't even understand. TheAlarmApp. We have an option to customize them from what I can see. But no, I don't think any of these, that's not even readable. I don't think I like any of these that the site gave me. Let's see if we get a few more. Okay, I really don't see any of this working for me, but I will review the rest of the sites that I have here and we'll come back to it in a moment. Fifth offering for today is wix.com. Let's see what they have for us. Create a logo with the Wix logo maker. Let's start now. Okay. Create a logo yourself or hire a professional designer. Again, I'm looking for something that is generated for me, not to hire a designer, so let's create a logo. I definitely see the potential in having someone do it for you, but I think that that's not the way to go right now. Probably later on, if we have to redesign a logo or something, we may go that route. Okay, so they want me to log in or create an account with them. So let me set this thing up for a moment, and I'll be right back. Okay, after logging in, this is what I'm presented with. Let's type in our name. Let's answer a few quick questions, just like the other ones. Okay, what's the logo for? Okay, how does it look and feel? So here are yes or no kind of tests. You can choose which one you like. Oh, I just now saw that there was an option that I didn't like either of them. Yeah, there were definitely such options, but I guess I should have seen it. And here are their offerings. Let's look at a few of them. Okay, there are definitely a few that grab my attention here. So let's continue with the last one that I have in mind, and then I'll come back to all of them, review them, and give you a summary. And the final offering that we're going to take a look at today is Squarespace. And I guess most of us have heard the ads for Squarespace, so let's see what they can offer for us. We put our name and we go straight into a customizer. I don't think they generated anything for us. It's up to us to do it. So we have a few basic icons. We can move stuff around, change fonts and sizes, change colors, but that's about it. Yeah, that's not something that I'm looking for right now. So let me review the offerings from the designs from the other logo makers, and I'll summarize what I've chosen. Okay, after spending a little bit of time and looking at what the sites have to offer, I think I have my favorite. First, let's start with the ones that simply don't work for me. And the first one is canva.com. It is something, it's an editor that you can probably design your own logo with, and maybe a good one, but it's not an automated tool that will generate something for you, at least not in my experience, so that's out for me. The next one was Squarespace. Pretty simple, but again, it's just a drag and drop. It has a few icons and not what I'm looking for. The third one, Tailor Brands. It is an automatically generated logo, but none of them really caught my eye, so that's simply not what I'm looking for. The fourth one, Wooka.com. I did like a few of them. They're pretty interesting. Maybe we could have chosen one of them. Let me find the one that caught my eye the most here. It is this one. So it does look pretty much alright. I might end up getting this one as well, but we'll see. For the time being, I will not proceed with this one. The next is Placeit.net. They also have a few good ones, as they have pages and pages that they seem to have generated for us, but the more you scroll through them, the offerings are not very good, to be honest. So from this side, I liked this logo the most, but I don't think that we'll go with it. If we click on it, there are quite a lot of customization options from what I can see. It's simple, straightforward, but the one that I'm going to go with is from the Wix logo creator. And here it is, here is the logo. When I clicked on it, it gave me an option to customize it a little bit. I don't really want to do that. I will use it as is. And after I clicked on it, this is what I was presented with. Whether I want a logo in a website, but I just need a logo for the time being. Let's look at their offerings. We have basic and advanced, both of them are one-time payments, but the basic I don't think works for us. Given that we're doing that, it's best that we have a resizable logo and all of the features that we can get so that we can use it anywhere. Okay, so if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, they actually offer you an example of what you get. If you click on it, it downloads a zip file with examples. They basically have a lot of different sizes for different social media. So I guess that combined with the resizable logo files, I think we'll go with the advanced one. So I will go ahead and purchase this, and in a later video we'll use this logo to create our first posts in all the social media. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you come back later.